plata o plomo.
So on the GT350, we put it on the dyno. We did a full hit. Customer was complaining like a clutch issue, and we verified that. So we went ahead and quoted him with the McLeod twin disc clutch kit. We're gonna go ahead and pull it off the dyno. Customer's gonna pick it up to drive it normal until that clutch kit comes in. But we did finish the tuning. We did well, partial tuning for street drivability. Wide open throttle, we still got to finish dialed in. We did the caliper painting. We still are waiting on intake and headers. So once we get the clutch, we'll go ahead and install the intake and the headers and get that done as well. And right behind Abel, we have this beautiful red Trackhawk that we also did the caliper painting as well. This vehicle was on the dyno yesterday. It did make some good power on just the upper pulley. We have them putting the front drive shaft back on so the customer can come pick this up. We'll be set to go. Over here, this is the vehicle that we told you guys that the injector tank is stuck open. We already installed that external fuel filter. We have Edgar putting the 2150, the new sets of 2150s on it, as well as new spark plugs. We'll go ahead and get this vehicle out today as well. And then
we have our heading here. We have that's finally done correctly.
This RT, this one has a Hellcat supercharger on it. So this is the one that I showed you guys. The wiring had to like open circuit, so the wiring was very messed up for the engine wiring. We had Steven go ahead and take care of that, replace it with the new one. So this is all that they did. You know, so you have like all these open circuits. You know, so there was misfire codes, injector codes.
It wouldn't accelerate.
It wouldn't accelerate. So. Just very, very
right
problematic, you know, so this is what needs to be replaced.
Butt connectors all over the place.
But yeah, at the end of the day, when you do it the cheap route, you got to pay more because you got to replace the whole harness, take it to a shop that, you know, actually does it. So, lo barato sale caro. And then we have another MT82 Mustang that's going to be getting the replacement transmission. So that customer said that he burned his third and fourth gear. So he brought us the transmission, brought us the clutch kit. So we're going to pull some cars out right now. Once Edgar is done with that Hellcat, we'll go ahead and pull that one in, and then we'll get that one knocked out as well. And then that's pretty much it that we got going on right now. But I think that's pretty much it that's going on right now. It's been very slow. I know that I've had some customers call me and hey, how's it going in LA? I'm sure that they're scared to come down to LA, but you know, nothing's going on here, at least at Full Blown Performance. So you know, we stand with our community. But let's go ahead and see what else we put on the dyno today. Alright guys, welcome back to another video here at Full Blown Performance. Today I think we got a pretty exciting day. So first we're going to start off on the dyno today with adding our 714. Cut that out. Alright, so we're going to start today off a pretty exciting day today. Here we have 714's charger. This one is going to be thrown on the dyno. Melvin! I don't have keys. Luis took my keys to the gate, bah. But, so we have 714s going on the dyno. We're not going to show, oh, he's already opening. We're not going to show horsepower numbers on that. And then we have Abel's going on the dyno for braking. We're going to get our fuel dialed in. And then we have Mr. Cuevas here. We have his beautiful Challenger here. This is the one with the polish blower as well. This one is in for the billet valve cover, so we're gonna have Melvin knock that out. And yeah, we got a few different cars. So like I said, pretty exciting day to see these cars on the dyno, you know, get them on. So we're gonna go ahead and move some cars out. Go ahead and put this one on the dyno, and then we'll hop on to the dyno right now. All right guys, so we got 714 here on the dyno. We're gonna go ahead and put the revision in from Z. Obviously with the new blower, and then we are gonna go ahead and do our steps, our baby pull, and then we'll do our full pull. Yes sir. All right guys, so we're gonna do a full pull. I'm very excited to see how much it's gonna make. I know it's gonna make some power, so I gotta have Edgar and Luis back there Alright guys, so we got the 714's car back on the dyno. We were running out of fuel, so we added more fuel mods to it. We're going to go ahead and put that there, and then we'll do a pull. We also changed the throttle body because the throttle body was closing at wide open throttle. So for now, to get it tuned, we're going to do a Whipple one, and then we'll go ahead and get the Kong one once they send it out to us. So we got that. We have Fast Yeti. We have Melvin working on it because we have to get that out by Friday the latest, because he is racing this weekend out in Bakersfield at Famoso. So Melvin has the motor in, he's connecting everything. He's gonna go ahead and put the Whipple on, but we do got to get him out as soon as possible. So we have that there. We have Steven working on the V6. This one's getting a transmission replacement. We already have the transmission here, so he's gonna drop that one, go ahead and put that new one in there, and then get that out. We do have a Jeep SRT, the red one behind me. That one is here to put it back to stock. So we're taking the cam out, taking out the nitro setup, putting that vehicle back to stock. We did get a, let's see, a Mustang that is a Whipple supercharged. That vehicle is in for a diagnostic. We found out that customer states it's overheating. So we went ahead and diagnosed it, and we found that it's missing the serpentine belt, or the whole belt system. Let's see if I fit here and I could get it open for you guys to show you. But it's missing the belt, so it looks like the belt ripped, and the reason for the belt ripping was because, I'm not gonna fit by, was because there is a bad idler pulley on there. So we're gonna let the customer know about that. We also have a Porsche. How do you say it? Is it Porsche or Porsche? That's like a fancy word, I don't know. To me, it's Porsche. We have a Porsche Macan. This one is in for caliper painting. I think they're doing red with the black Porsche logo. So we're gonna knock that one out once we finish with Alan Lee on the dyno. And then here we have Quasi. This is a Hellcat we did probably about a year ago now. It doesn't start, so we have to diagnose that, see if it's a fuel pump issue, go from there basically. So let's go ahead, and then we have a diagnostic for the Jeep right behind Able. That one we also did probably about a year ago. We did a motor on it. Customer states it's leaking oil from like a valve cover, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out and see what's going on there. And then, yeah, so let's go back to the dyno. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a full pull, and then hopefully we're good with fueling and the throttle body's good. So let's go ahead and do a full pull and make sure we're good to go.